Welcome from SAG Infotech.
In this video, we have shown the complete process starting from where we develop an application software or website. Simultaneously, the mobile app will be auto-generated with this platform. You need to simply export the final generated file as a mobile app in APK or IPA format with respect to Android and iOS platforms. For this, you simply need to click on the icon after which a pop-up window appears. This will give you the option of platform selection like Android or iOS, then select the platform version. After that, you need to enter the export path where you want to save the exported file. By clicking on Build Code, it automatically gets converted according to the selected platform and saved in the provided path. In this demo, we use the previous video application of which the link is provided in the description. As we export an Android app, please check this billing app screen.
Thank you for watching this video.